Hi you guys, welcome back to another video with the Real Lovely, and as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, you already know what's going on. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I DIY'd my Christmas wreath for my front door. But before we get started, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And also let me know what type of DIYs you have planned for your home for this holidays. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All the decorations I'm going to be using for this wreath is from the Dollar Tree. Except for the wreath itself, I got this 20-inch wreath from Walmart and it cost me around $3 or a little less than that. I tried to get one from the Dollar Tree, but they were like really small and weren't big enough and they weren't full enough, so I decided to check Walmart and I found this one, which was perfect because I wanted to DIY it myself. So yes, this is a 20-inch wreath and all of these supplies I got from the Dollar Tree. So when I bought this wreath, it was really flat and it kind of threw me off. I was like, wait, this is not how it looked online. But all I had to do was fluff it out some, open up the leaves so it looks really full. So that's what you see me doing. I'm fluffing it out some more. I kind of did some off camera, but I'm just fluffing it out some more so it gives this full look. And I tried to push all of the leaves from the back to the front because the back would just be up against the door. So here I have a gold ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree. I tried to get a wider one, but I could not find one that was in the shade gold that I wanted, but I found this small one and I'm gonna show you guys how I made it work. So for the ribbon, I use a hot glue gun to attach it to the wreath. I just glued the beginning of the ribbon and the ending, and for the rest of it, you guys will see that I just intertwine it into the wires that the leaves are attached to. And I try to give it like a really fluffy look, so when I hang it up, I'll be able to see the ribbon because it's really small. You guys will see exactly what I mean. So now that I've attached my ribbon to the wreath, I'm gonna go ahead and add these ornaments. I have 2 packs of these type of ornaments. I got them because they kind of resemble the same ornaments that I have on my Christmas tree, which is gold and some silver and a little hint of white, but I'm gonna be using white on this wreath. So in this pack, it comes with 3 different designs, one with glitter, one with like embossed design, and then these little ones that look like a pumpkin. I'm not even sure how to describe it, but I got 2 packs of these, and I also have 2 packs of really smaller version to add at the end. So to make sure that my ornaments are rearranged perfectly, I'm just going to place them on the wreath before I permanently glue them, just to ensure that they're in the correct spots. I'm starting off with 1 pack of these ornaments, and if it doesn't look full enough, I'll just go in with some from the other pack, and then later on use my smaller ornaments. Some of these ornaments, they have a line at the bottom, or it's like really smooth or flat at the bottom, so when I'm gluing it in, I kind of like turn them sideways just so the design of the ornament shows. You guys, I could not find the exact same design in these tiny ornaments, so I did pick up 2 assortment packs of gold and silver ornaments in this size, and some of the gold was like really bright or just really too shiny, so I decided to not use them, but I did use the really shiny silver ones because that matched the embossed design of one of the ornaments on the wreath already. this is how the wreath looks so far after I went ahead and added all of those tiny little ornaments. And now I'm going to go in with these gold glitter Friendlies that I also got at the Dollar Tree. I saw them and I thought they looked so cute, so I got them, and I'm going to show you guys how I added them onto the wreath. So they made these leaves with the wire and like plastic covering over it. So all I did was take my scissors and cut the plastic that was over the wire and then twist the wire to break it. And that's the easiest way I could explain it. I did not have a wire cutter, but I did have a scissors. So I used my scissors, cut the little plastic that was around the wire, twisted until it broke off. So to be completely honest, I didn't have an exact plan for these gold leaves. I just know that I wanted them on the wreath. So I kind of like cut them, play around with it until I got the look I was going for. I wanted it to kind of look like it was coming from behind the wreath, and at the end I just took the leftovers and put them in the side. But for the most part, I just wanted it to be at the back of the wreath. So when you look at it, you'll just see the gold leaves sticking out from the wreath. If you know what I'm saying, I don't really know how to explain it, but that's kind of the look that I was going for. So guys, here is the final look for my wreath. I did buy this gold bow at the Dollar Tree, but after I was finished, I didn't feel like I should add it anymore. Well, let me know what you guys think. Should I keep it with the bow or without? And then I will go from there. I also want to know what other DIY projects you'd like to see on my channel, and also put in the comments what DIY projects you have planned for this holiday season. And as always, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it with your friends, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.